To use SpotMe money on Chime, you need to understand what SpotMe is and how it works. SpotMe is a feature offered by Chime that allows you to overdraft your account up to a certain amount without incurring any fees. This feature is available to Chime members who receive direct deposits of at least $200 every 45 days. First, you need to activate SpotMe on your Chime account. To do this, open the Chime mobile app and navigate to the SpotMe section. If you are eligible, you will see an option to activate SpotMe. Tap on this option to activate the feature. Once SpotMe is activated, you can use it to overdraft your account. The amount you can overdraft depends on your direct deposit history and Chime account activity. You can check your SpotMe limit in the Chime app. To use SpotMe, simply make a purchase or transaction that exceeds your available balance. If you have an available SpotMe limit, Chime will automatically cover the overdraft amount. You can use SpotMe for debit card purchases, ATM withdrawals, and online transactions. It is essential to note that SpotMe is not a loan, and you will not be charged interest on the overdraft amount. However, you will need to repay the overdraft amount when you receive your next direct deposit. Chime will automatically deduct the overdraft amount from your next direct deposit. To avoid any issues with SpotMe, make sure to keep track of your account balance and SpotMe limit. You can do this by regularly checking your account activity and balance in the Chime app. It is also a good idea to set up notifications to alert you when your account balance is low or when you have used your SpotMe limit. In summary, using SpotMe on Chime is a straightforward process that requires you to activate the feature, check your SpotMe limit, and use it for transactions that exceed your available balance. By following these steps and best practices, you can use SpotMe to avoid overdraft fees and manage your finances more effectively.